In December of 2016, this 1 pound bag cost $79.99. It came with a copper silver dollar, if there is such a thing, covered with prospecting emblems, and it's in a nice plastic case. I'm not sure what that's for, but a nice little extra, and a very small glass vial. The material is described as a 50-50 mix of Alaskan beach sand and crushed quartz from Georgia. How those two got together, I don't know. It would make an interesting story. What's a little confusing though is how much gold is in here. In the page that describes it, it says that it averages around a gram of gold per pound. But on the same page, just 2 lines below that, it says that it's guaranteed to contain not less than 1 gram of gold. And 2 lines below that, it says that it's guaranteed to contain not less than 1 1/4 grams of gold. So the actual amount of gold at this point is a little bit of a mystery, but that's what this review is for. So let's do a weigh out and see what the classification shows us. This material is extremely clean. There was a little bit of dust that went into the air, but practically nothing. The grit distribution is unremarkable. Very little in the plus 100 and minus 100 mesh, and practically no black sand. So this should be fairly clean and easy material to process. Let's go on to the visual picking and then the Miller table, and if necessary, repanning, and see what we get. That was the most fun I've ever had out of a 1 pound bag of pay dirt. The material is extremely clean. Even the minus 100 mesh material didn't have to be washed. There's no clay in it. Plus the fact that there's practically no black sand makes it easy to process. And while there's a lot of very fine material, this is concentrated in just a couple teaspoons or maybe a tablespoon of material. So this processes very easily. What I found is 1 plus 8 mesh nugget. This is a grain of rice for comparison. 2 plus 12s, over a dozen plus 20s, close to 100 in the plus 30s, well over 100, probably about 200 in the plus 70s, thousands, literally thousands in the plus 70, plus 100, and even the minus 100. But again, because this was concentrated in so little material, it was very easy to collect and take out. So it looks like a lot of gold. Let's put it to the scale and see how much it weighs out at. And here we go. Holy cow. 1.549 grams. That's doing pretty good. Let's take a close look at the numbers and see what the return on investment is.